Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, get ready to unlock the secrets of a truly magical elixir that has been right under our noses all along. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of castor oil magic, 10 life-changing uses you never knew existed. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the castor plant, isn't just your average oil. It's packed with unique properties that can transform how you approach your daily routine. From beauty to wellness, castor oil really has it all covered. So without further ado, let's jump right into the magic. First, let's discuss achieving luscious locks and radiant skin. Castor oil is a natural conditioner that deeply nourishes your hair, therefore promoting healthy growth while simultaneously combating hair loss. But that's not all. This oil works wonders on your skin as well. It is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids that moisturize and rejuvenate, leaving you a gorgeous, youthful glow. Castor oil's omega-9 fatty acids strengthen the hair shaft and reduce frizz, while its ricinoleic acid penetrates deeply to stimulate circulation in your scalp. For your skin, its antibacterial properties can help clear acne and also promote healing. Massage castor oil onto your scalp or apply it as a soothing face mask. The oil's natural humectant properties ensure that your hair and skin are moisturized and nourished, thanking you with vibrant health. Did you know? Castor oil's unique composition allows it to be easily absorbed by the skin and hair, making it a great choice for intensive hydration and repair. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've ever dreamed of having fuller eyebrows and longer lashes, castor oil is your secret weapon. It's like a magic potion that naturally stimulates hair growth and strengthens your brows and lashes. Castor oil contains nourishing proteins and vitamins that can fortify hair follicles. When applied to your eyebrows and lashes, it can revitalize and thicken them. Its anti-inflammatory properties also keep the skin around your eyes healthy and may help prevent premature wrinkling. Apply a tiny amount to your brows and lashes before bedtime and watch the transformation unfold. Castor oil's ability to support hair growth can result in brows and lashes that frame your eyes with a captivating allure. Here's a tip: apply castor oil with a clean mascara wand to both your eyebrows and lashes. Tired of battling acne? Castor oil's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it an excellent acne-fighting ally. Its unique composition helps dissolve excess oils, unclog pores, and reduce inflammation, giving you a clear complexion. Castor oil's ricinoleic acid acts as a natural antimicrobial agent, combating acne-causing bacterias. Its low comedogenic score also ensures it won't clog your pores. Dab a bit of castor oil onto problem areas and let the magic work overnight. The oil's emollient properties soothe and moisturize your skin, while its antibacterial effects work to reduce inflammation and redness. Wake up to a fresher and healthier complexion. Here's a pro tip: create your own DIY acne spot treatment at home by mixing castor oil with a drop of tea tree oil for added antibacterial power. Castor oil isn't just about beauty. It's also a soothing remedy for aches and pains. Its natural analgesic properties make it a perfect massage oil to relieve sore muscles and joint discomforts. When applied topically and massaged into your skin, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate pain from arthritis, sore muscles, and joint pain. Its penetration power goes beyond the surface, deepening relief into the tissues. Warm up the oil and gently massage it into the affected areas and let the relaxation wash over you. As the oil absorbs, it can promote blood circulation and reduce stiffness, providing soothing comfort and a well-deserved respite. Fun fact: castor oil packs have been used for centuries as traditional pain relief and a detoxification remedy. Are your nails feeling weak and brittle? Castor oil to the rescue. This magic potion is rich in nutrients that promote nail growth and strengthen those delicate tips. After all, your nails deserve attention too. and castor oil's impressive vitamin E content can enhance their strength and health. Vitamin E contributes to healthy keratin production, which is the protein that makes up your nails. Castor oil's ability to stimulate blood circulation also ensures that the essential nutrients reach your nail beds, which then promotes growth and reduces brittleness. Create your own nourishing nail soak by mixing castor oil with a few drops of whatever your favorite essential oil is. Immerse your nails in this revitalizing concoction and then witness the transformation as they become not only stronger, more resilient, but ready to show off. Here's a quick hack. Apply castor oil to your cuticles daily to keep them moisturized, which will then prevent hangnails. Pucker up because we're about to unveil another incredible use for castor oil. It's your lip care. Castor oil's moisturizing properties work wonders on chapped lips, leaving them soft, smooth, and totally kissable. Castor oil's emollient properties extend their magic to your lips by making them supple and kissably soft. The oil's ricinoleic acid helps heal dry and cracked lips by stimulating the regeneration of healthy skin cells. Mix castor oil with beeswax and honey to create your own lip balm. Beeswax provides a protective barrier, which seals in moisture and ensures your lips stay nourished and hydrated. Say goodbye to chapped lips and hello to irresistibly smooth and luscious kisses. Here's another pro tip. Add castor oil to your favorite lip gloss to give your favorite lip gloss product a boost in hydration and shine. Hair does literally start at the roots, and castor oil is here to give your scalp some much-needed TLC. Its nutrients and fatty acids nourish the scalp, promoting optimal hair growth and preventing dandruff. A healthy scalp is essential to have vibrant hair, and castor oil's nutrients, including vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acids, and proteins, all help to nourish perfectly. These elements strengthen hair follicles and promote circulation, ensuring each strand receives the nutrients it needs. A castor oil scalp massage feels luxurious and can lead to healthier, thicker, and more lustrous hair. As the oil works its magic, it helps maintain the pH balance of your scalp, reducing dandruff and itchiness. So treat your scalp to a relaxing massage using castor oil, and watch how it transforms the health of your hair from the roots. Here's a quick low-effort hair hack. Add a few drops of castor oil to your shampoo for an extra boost of hydration and hair strengthening benefits. Say goodbye to tired and puffy eyes with our next magical use of castor oil, creating your own age-defying eye cream. Its both hydrating and anti-aging properties can work wonders in reducing fine lines and wrinkles. It turns out the skin around our eyes is delicate and prone to showing signs of aging. Castor oil's emollient properties hydrate and nourish this very sensitive area, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Mix a little bit of castor oil with some aloe vera gel to create an effective and natural eye cream. Aloe vera helps to enhance castor oil's anti-inflammatory effects to reduce puffiness and increase firmness. Gently apply a little bit of this revitalizing concoction around your eyes, and then witness how castor oil's gentle yet potent power can help you achieve a more youthful and refreshed appearance. Here's a quick little beauty secret. Use a small amount of castor oil as an overnight eye treatment for an intensive moisture boost. Let's get real for a moment and talk about something many of us shy away from: digestive health. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural laxative, gently aiding in relieving constipation. Castor oil's time-tested reputation as a natural laxative comes from its ricinoleic acid, which stimulates the intestines and encourages gentle bowel movements. While it may not be your first choice for regular digestive health, it can indeed offer relief when needed. A teaspoon before bed can keep things moving smoothly, making it an effective solution for occasional constipation. Remember, a little goes a long way, and incorporating castor oil in your wellness toolbox can offer a natural but also gentle approach to maintaining digestive comfort. Here's a digestive tip. Mix castor oil with warm herbal tea for a more palatable and soothing natural laxative. Ladies, this one is especially for you. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can provide soothing relief from menstrual cramps. A warm castor oil pack placed on your abdomen can work wonders in easing the discomforts. Menstrual cramps can be a monthly challenge, but castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties offer a natural remedy. Applying a warm castor oil pack to your abdomen can provide you with soothing relief by relaxing the muscles and reducing inflammation. The warmth of the pack, combined with the oil's healing properties, creates a comforting embrace that eases discomfort and also brings relief. Embrace the comfort and warmth of the castor oil pack during your menstrual cycle. It's like a warm hug from Mother Nature, providing a gentle and effective way to manage menstrual discomfort without using chemicals or medications. Enhance the soothing experience by adding lavender essential oil to your castor oil pack. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible and life-changing uses of castor oil that you never knew existed. From beauty to wellness, this magic elixir of oil has certainly cast a spell on us. If you enjoyed this video and want more enchanting content like this, please do like and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks a bunch for watching. Until next time, keep embracing the magic of castor oil. Thank you for joining us. Stay magical.